How to spend UCard rewards. Follow the instructions. Use your UCard for purchases at participating stores like Walmart, CVS, and Kroger. Buy eligible over-the-counter health products like pain relievers, toothpaste, and vitamins. Purchase approved healthy food items like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Pay eligible utility bills including electricity, water, and internet. Shop online through approved retailer websites. Swipe your UCard at checkout like a regular debit card in physical stores. Enter your UCard details when shopping online if required. Use the UnitedHealthcare app to check your balance. Find participating retailers using the app or website. Review your plan's benefits to maximize your spending options. Thank you for watching.